In this lesson, we're going to talk about affiliate programs. Affiliate programs essentially include tracked links to a product or service where you get paid when a visitor from your website makes a purchase. So if you send somebody through a link on your website, there is a tracking system in place so that when they make a purchase, even if it's not right away, maybe it's a day from now, you can still get a small percentage of that person's purchase. The percentages will vary based on the program or the retailer that's participating, but they can be a really, really great way to get some passive income because all you have to do is put that link out there in the world and you can begin making money from it. Now, of course, because it does require links and getting clicks to those links in order to get any kind of money out of it, it does mean that the more visitors you have to your website or to that social media platform that you're promoting the link on, the more money you're going to earn, but it is still a great form of passive income regardless of your audience size, so I do highly recommend it no matter what you're doing. Much like we discussed with the sponsored posts, you always want to disclose when an affiliate link is an affiliate link. So whether you're using that on a social media platform, maybe you use the hashtag affiliate, or if you're on your website, you have a post, a little section at the bottom, or in your sidebar, or something that states clearly that you may make a percentage when somebody clicks on those links from your website. You do need to disclose that properly, and you can learn more about that in those FTC guidelines that we discussed in the last lesson. Examples of using an affiliate link might be when you're reviewing a product. You want to make sure that you include that link to it or similar products so that your visitors can check those out. You might do a roundup, maybe of shopping ideas for Mother's Day. You can include affiliate links in there. Or if you're doing some kind of how-to article or a DIY project or a recipe, you can link your supplies or ingredients as affiliate links. Same thing goes for any type of recommendation that you provide to people. You can include an affiliate link there. Or if you're a fashion blogger, you want to link to exactly what it is that you're wearing in a post. And you can do that through both Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and your website directly. Sometimes you'll find that the best way to do it is with direct affiliate programs with certain retailers. I find that that's often the case with certain services rather than physical products. You'll also find that oftentimes you are maybe mixing the programs that you use because not all retailers will use all programs, but there will be some overlap. So some examples of programs for you to check out might be Amazon Affiliates, Reward Style, Shop Style, Share a Sale, VigLink, CJ Affiliate, as well as those direct programs with certain retailers. So if there's a retailer you want to work for, or work with rather, you can look into those affiliate programs and see which one will work best for you. So that just about covers everything you need to know about affiliate links and at least how to get started. Whenever possible, you always want to use an affiliate link on your website. It will help you earn a little bit of passive income with pretty minimal work involved, especially over time. So go back to those old posts, look at your top performing posts, and if they don't have an affiliate link in there and one makes sense, go ahead and put it in there and save it, and you'll see that those results will come back to you.